happy Tuesday. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your week. So I'm here really quick with a Tuesday tip. Today I'm going to show you guys how I create my images, how I brand them, how I'm able to add logos to them and make them really nice and pretty for social media. So stay tuned if you're looking for how to make some beautiful images that you can use for your website, your social media pages, and really bring some pop to your page. See you guys in a minute. So here's where I start. I actually use Unsplash to find stock images. I found this through a Google search, and Unsplash is something free where you can find free stock images in pretty much any category you want. And I use these stock images for the backgrounds for my quote pictures and for promotional pictures for different things that I do with my business. It's a lot of fun. This doesn't replace me taking my own pictures, but sometimes it's easier in a pinch to just grab a picture from here, save it, and use it as a photo for something that I'm using online. So these have, as you can see, beautiful, beautiful photos. I found a picture here with some flowers for a background, and then I take it over to WordSwag. As I start a new picture, excuse me, I actually just pull in the photo and choose the text that I want to do, kind of adjust, type in what I want, and then position it on the photo however I want, change the colors around, adjust the transparency. There are a lot of things that you can do with WordSwag. This is how I have begun to brand myself with my quote photos because I use the same text style each and every time, and the duplication is super easy. So we're going to change this to a smaller one just so you can see the photos behind it. I'll go ahead and save that. And then the next thing I would do would be to add a logo. But before I actually add the logo to this photo, I'm going to show you guys how I am able to create logo images that are transparent, that I can actually put in the photo for branding for my website or any type of programs that I have going on. So once we save the photo, you can actually see we're going to go back out here and choose Canva. And in Canva, you can actually choose if you want to use a logo at the top. You can adjust the text. I actually just used a round one. I'm going to put my logo here, excuse me, and then save as a PNG image so that it is going to be transparent with a transparent background. And then I'm going to hop back over to WordSwag. I will choose add text or logo, which you'll see, and then you can add the image that you created and position it anywhere that you want on the photo. It's really cool. Another way that I make a logo image is actually using Vintage Design. I found this app a while ago, and this was what I was using to use my logos from the beginning. You can get a little fancier with this one. You can upload pictures and do a whole bunch of different things. So here I'm choosing a background, and we're just going to go with a actually, I think I chose the glasses background here. So we're going to play with that a little bit and change the color. So it's black here. And then we're going to add some text. So I'm just going to go ahead, put in Art Geek because you guys know I'm an art geek. Adjust where it's lying. Change the color. There's so many different things that you can actually do in Vintage. And you can save all of your Vintage designs in a Dropbox so you can come back to them anytime. Again, here I'm going to go ahead and save this image as a PNG image so that I get a transparent background. Go back over to WordSwag again, and I'm just going to show you guys how I add another image and use this as a secondary logo and pop that on there as well. So these are the things that you can actually do with a few of these apps. I like all of these apps for creating my quote pictures, and it helps me keep it really organized and really branded, and it's super easy. I don't have to do a whole bunch. You can actually choose different backgrounds from here. You can search within the app. You don't have to use an outside website. You can find all kinds of cute backgrounds right here within the app. Choose the one that you want, add some text, and now you know how to add your own logo and really start to brand your images as a business owner. So I hope that this little tip help you guys out, and I would love to see some of the pictures that you come up with. Make sure to comment if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you out at all, and share with a friend so they can begin to make their own images as well. So there you have it. Those are my secrets to how I make all of my images, and I hope that you guys found it useful, and I would love to see the images that you come up with. Again, go ahead and comment if you enjoyed the video, share with a friend, and see you guys next time.